the second chart is that they need south sales total amount. So if they want that south sales total amount, this is the total amount, but they need the south zone total amount. So this is the single criteria. If it is single criteria, we can use the SUMIF function. If we want to get the sum of the value based on the single criteria, we can use the SUMIF function. So how can we use it? First we have to put the equal sign, then you need to call the SUMIF function, then start the bracket. The range is where is the available. The south sale mean we need to be choose the zone, total zone column. So I'm going to be click here. I'm going to be press Ctrl Shift plus down key button. Entire cell will be selected, comma. The criteria is we need that what is the sale? South sale. I'm going to be select the south sale, comma. The sum range available where? Here. The sum range available here. So I'm going to be choose the click the one cell, and I'm going to be press Ctrl Shift plus down key button. The entire sum amount, entire cell will be selected, then close the bracket, then enter. Now you can see here the south sale $206,889, right? So I'm going to put that dollar sign here, right? So $206,889. So if you want to be proof it, I'm going to be proof it. So I'm going to put that filter here, and we need that south sale, right? So I'm going to put that, I'm going to be select the zone, unselect all, and I need south sales only. Click OK button, and you can see total amount, entire cell I'm going to be south sale only, it will come. So total amount how much? 206,889. So that's the same result you will get it, right? 206,889, the same result we got it. So I'm going to be clear the filter. You can see 206,889. Likewise we can get it. So east sale mean we need that east zone sale. If we want to get that east zone total sales, this is a single criteria, so we need to be use the SUMIF functions. So how can we use it? First I need to put that equal sign, then we need to call the SUMIF function, then start the bracket. The first we need to be pass the range. The zone we need to be select, because this zone available south and east, west and north. So we need the east sale. So first we have to be select the all the range for the zone. So I'm going to be select the zone column, right? Entire cell will be selected. If I press the Ctrl Shift plus down key button, then comma, the criteria is we need that east sale, so I need to be choose the east sale, comma, the sum range available here the sum range available. So I'm going to be select Ctrl Shift plus down key button, the entire cell will be selected, then close the bracket and enter. So now you can got it, the east total sales, east zone total sales amount. Then the third is that orange sale, they need only orange sale. So if you want to get that orange sale, we can get it. How we can get it? So if you want to get the orange sale, this is a single criteria, so we need to be use the SUMIF function. So I need to put the equal sign, then I need to call the SUMIF function, start the bracket, and then criteria is what is the criteria? Orange cell. So we need to be choose the product column for, because the orange cell available in the product column. So I'm going to be choose the all entire column for product column. So Ctrl Shift plus arrow key, down key button, then comma. The criteria is we need that orange. So I need to be choose the orange. Where is available orange? Here, comma, and the sum of the range available here. Where is available? Here. So I'm going to be choose the entire cell. Ctrl Shift plus down key button. So entire cell will be selected. Then close the bracket and enter. So you can see here $83,100 for the total sales for orange. So apple sales we need to be get it. So apple sales also we need to be get it. So it is easy for me. I'm going to be copy the formula and I'm going to be paste it here. But we need to be choose the apple. Other things the same. The sum range and the range all are same. But we need to be choose the apple. That's it. Then enter. You can see 145,620. And SUMIF sales. SUMIF sales. So if you want to be get that the SUMIF sale, we can use the SUMIF function because this is a single criteria. This is very easy for you, right? So I need to put that equal sign. Then I need to call the SUMIF function. Start the bracket. Then range is sales rep available here. So Control Shift plus down key button, comma criteria is SUMIF, comma I'm going to be choose sum of amount. So I'm going to be choose it, right? Then close the bracket, then enter. The total SUMIF sales is 81,944, right? So that is a perfect. Then Mohan rep sale. Mohan rep sale mean you know well that this is SUMIF rep sale. So Mohan rep sale mean the criteria we just need to be select the Mohan, right? So that is why I'm going to be copy this formula and I'm going to be apply here. But the criteria I'm going to be changed. The criteria is what is the criteria? Mohan. Mohan, I'm going to be choose the Mohan. Where is the Mohan available? Here, Mohan available. Then I'm going to be enter. So the Mohan rep sale 63,602, right? So this is how we can get it, the Mohan rep sale. The next one is January month sale. So now January month sale, if you want to be get it, we can get it. And you can see that everywhere is sum of range is same. So I'm going to be look here the sum of the range. I'm going to be look here. If I look here, it is easy for me to select the range and criteria. So enter, and I'm going to be copy here. I'm going to be paste here. Everywhere is. So January sales, what is the formula? We have to choose the range. Range is what is that? The month. So we need to choose the month. Here is not this range. We need to choose the month. So I'm going to be choose Control Shift down key button, comma the criteria. You can see the criteria is what is the criteria? January month. January month mean we need to be choose the January month. This is the January month. That is the criteria. Then enter. So you can see 366,786. Then I'm going to be copy the formula, but only change is March sales. You can see here this is next one is March sale. So I'm going to be paste here, and March mean I'm going to be put the criteria is March, right? Then enter. You can see the March sale is 314,282. The next one is total sales below 250. So you can see here this is the total amount. So they need that below 250 total amount. So how can we get it? So the first one is a range. The range should be this one, sum of total. So I am going to be choose that sum of total, that is the range for us. Then criteria is what is the criteria? Below 250. So if it is below 250, we need to be enter the criteria between the double quotation. So I'm going to be enter the double quotation and below 250 double quotation, then enter. You can see 4457. The next one is total sales higher than 250. I'm going to copy this formula and I'm going to be paste here. But you can see more than 250, the symbol will be only change the more than, right? Then enter. So the total amount is the total sales higher than 250 and it is 960,335, right? So this is how we can use the SUMIF functions. I put there so many criteria for the single condition because if you practice well, it is easy for you work with in the workplace. So that's what I put that many SUMIF functions practice. So practice yourself. I hope that you understand well.